Low-light indoor plants are perfect for spaces with minimal natural sunlight. They thrive in shaded corners, making them ideal for offices, bedrooms, and bathrooms. These plants are low maintenance, purify the air, and add a touch of greenery without the need for bright light, enhancing indoor environments with ease and beauty. Let's uncover the best houseplants that don't need much sunlight to grow. Prayer plant, Maranta leuconura, is a stunning low-light indoor plant known for its striking patterned leaves and unique behavior of folding its leaves upward at night, resembling praying hands. It thrives in indirect light and prefers consistently moist soil with high humidity. Native to tropical regions, it grows best in warm temperatures and away from cold drafts. Its vibrant green leaves with red veins and oval markings make it a decorative favorite for tabletops and shelves. The prayer plant is non-toxic to pets, making it a safe and beautiful choice for any home, especially in shaded or low-light areas. Rex begonia, Begonia rexcultorum, is a striking foliage plant admired for its bold, colorful leaves in shades of green, silver, purple, pink, and red. It thrives in low to medium indirect light and prefers high humidity with evenly moist but not soggy soil. Native to tropical forests, this plant enjoys warmth and should be kept away from cold drafts or direct sunlight, which can damage its delicate leaves. Its dramatic patterns and textures make it a favorite for indoor decoration. Though a bit finicky, the Rex begonia rewards care with vibrant beauty and is best suited for experienced plant lovers. Calathea, Calathea ornata, also known as the pinstripe calathea, is a popular indoor plant admired for its elegant dark green leaves adorned with pink or white stripes. Native to tropical rainforests, it thrives in low to medium indirect light and high humidity, making it ideal for bathrooms or humid rooms. Calathea prefers consistently moist soil but dislikes overwatering or soggy roots. It's a non-toxic, pet-friendly plant that also performs gentle leaf movement, folding slightly at night, similar to a prayer plant. With proper care, this stunning foliage plant adds a touch of sophistication and tropical charm to indoor spaces. Philodendron, Philodendron scandens, commonly known as the heartleaf philodendron, is a classic indoor vine prized for its heart-shaped, deep green leaves and easygoing nature. It thrives in low to medium indirect light and tolerates occasional neglect, making it ideal for beginners. This tropical plant prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top inch to dry between waterings. It can trail from hanging baskets or climb with support, adding lush greenery to any space. Non-toxic to air but mildly toxic if ingested, it should be kept out of reach of pets. Philodendron scandens is both beautiful and low maintenance. Silver sateen pothos, Scindapsus pictus, is a stunning trailing indoor plant known for its velvety, heart-shaped green leaves adorned with silver spots and splashes. It thrives in low to medium indirect light and prefers well-draining soil. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, avoiding overwatering. Native to Southeast Asia, this tropical vine enjoys moderate humidity and warm temperatures. Its cascading growth makes it perfect for hanging baskets or shelves. While not a true pothos, it shares similar easy care traits. Note that it is toxic if ingested, so keep it out of reach of pets and small children. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia, is one of the most resilient and low-maintenance indoor plants, perfect for low-light environments. It features glossy, dark green, feather-like leaves that add a modern touch to any room. Native to East Africa, it thrives in low to bright indirect light and tolerates infrequent watering, making it ideal for busy or beginner plant owners. The ZZ plant is drought-tolerant due to its rhizomes that store water. It prefers well-draining soil and should be watered only when the soil is dry. While highly adaptable, it is toxic if ingested, so keep it away from pets and children. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata, is a lush, arching indoor plant known for its feathery, bright green fronds that bring a classic, elegant touch to interior spaces. It thrives in low to medium indirect light and loves high humidity, making it ideal for bathrooms or kitchens. The soil should be kept consistently moist but not soggy, and it benefits from regular misting or placement near a humidifier. Native to tropical regions, the Boston fern prefers cooler indoor temperatures and indirect light. Non-toxic to pets, it's a safe and attractive choice for homes, adding fresh greenery and improving air quality naturally. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is a hardy and stylish indoor plant with tall, upright leaves featuring green and yellow variegation. Ideal for beginners, it thrives in low to bright indirect light and is extremely drought-tolerant, needing only occasional watering. Native to West Africa, it stores water in its thick leaves and tolerates dry indoor air and neglect with ease. This plant is known for its air-purifying abilities, filtering toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. While visually striking and low maintenance, it is toxic if ingested, so it should be kept out of reach of pets and children. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum, also known as devil's ivy, is a popular and versatile indoor plant loved for its heart-shaped, trailing leaves in shades of green, yellow, or white. It thrives in low to bright indirect light and is exceptionally easy to care for, making it ideal for beginners. Native to Southeast Asia, pothos is drought-tolerant and only needs watering when the top inch of soil is dry. It can be grown in soil or water and is perfect for hanging baskets or shelves. Though it purifies air, it is toxic if ingested, so it should be kept away from pets and children. Bird's nest fern, Asplenium nidus, is a tropical indoor plant known for its bright green, wavy fronds that unfurl from a central rosette, resembling a bird's nest. It thrives in low to medium indirect light and prefers high humidity, making it perfect for bathrooms or kitchens. Native to rainforest floors, it grows best in moist, well-draining soil and should be kept away from direct sunlight, which can scorch its delicate leaves. Regular misting helps maintain its humidity needs. Non-toxic and pet-friendly, the bird's nest fern is a beautiful, safe choice for adding lush greenery to shaded indoor spaces. Dump cane, Dieffenbachia segae, is a popular indoor plant known for its large, attractive leaves marked with white, cream, or yellow patterns. It thrives in low to medium indirect light and prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil. Native to tropical regions of Central and South America, dump cane enjoys warm temperatures and moderate humidity. Its lush foliage adds a bold, tropical feel to indoor spaces. However, it is toxic if ingested and can cause temporary speechlessness or irritation, which is how it got its name. It should be kept out of reach of pets and children while being handled with care. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallisii, is a graceful and popular indoor plant known for its glossy green leaves and elegant white blooms. It thrives in low to medium indirect light and prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil. Native to tropical regions of the Americas and Southeast Asia, it also enjoys high humidity and warm temperatures. The peace lily is admired not only for its beauty but also for its excellent air-purifying abilities. While it's easy to care for, it is mildly toxic if ingested, so it should be kept away from pets and small children. It symbolizes peace, purity, and healing. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema commutatum, is a resilient and decorative indoor plant valued for its lush, patterned foliage in shades of green, silver, and sometimes red or pink. It thrives in low to medium indirect light and tolerates poor lighting conditions exceptionally well. Native to tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, it prefers warm temperatures, moderate humidity, and evenly moist, well-draining soil. Chinese evergreen is low maintenance and ideal for beginners or offices. While it's excellent for adding greenery to dim spaces and can improve air quality, it is toxic if ingested and should be kept out of reach of pets and children. Spider plant, Chlorophytum camosum, is a popular and easy-to-grow indoor plant known for its arching green leaves with white or yellow stripes. It thrives in low to bright indirect light and adapts well to various conditions, making it perfect for beginners. Native to South Africa, it prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top layer to dry between waterings. Spider plants are especially admired for their ability to produce babies or plantlets on long stems, which can be propagated easily. Non-toxic and pet-friendly, they are also excellent air purifiers, making them ideal for homes, offices, and hanging baskets. Cast iron plant, Aspidistra elacia, is a tough, low-maintenance indoor plant prized for its ability to thrive in low light, low humidity, and neglect, hence its name. Native to Japan and Taiwan, it features long, dark green, lance-shaped leaves that grow upright, creating a bold and elegant look. This hardy plant tolerates temperature fluctuations and infrequent watering, making it ideal for dim corners and busy households. It prefers well-draining soil and should be watered when the top inch is dry. Non-toxic to pets and children, the cast iron plant is a reliable, long-lasting choice for low-light indoor spaces. Dracena, Dracena fragrans, also known as the corn plant, is a popular indoor plant known for its tall, cane-like stems and glossy, arching leaves with green and yellow variegation. Native to tropical Africa, it thrives in low to medium indirect light and prefers well-draining soil. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings, as it is sensitive to overwatering. Dracena is valued for its upright growth habit and air-purifying qualities, making it ideal for homes and offices. While easy to care for, it is toxic if ingested, so it should be kept out of reach of pets. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica, is a striking indoor plant known for its broad, glossy leaves that range from deep green to burgundy. Native to Southeast Asia, it thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate low-light conditions. It prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top inch to dry between waterings. This plant is valued for its bold, upright growth and ability to purify indoor air. With proper care, it can grow into a tall, tree-like houseplant. However, it is toxic if ingested, so it should be kept away from pets and children. Rubber plants add elegance and structure to any space. English ivy, Hedera helix, is a classic trailing indoor plant admired for its elegant, lobed green leaves and fast-growing vines. Native to Europe and Western Asia, it thrives in low to medium indirect light and prefers cooler temperatures and moderate humidity. This adaptable plant grows well in hanging baskets or as a climbing vine with support. It prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil but should not be overwatered. English ivy is also known for its air-purifying qualities. However, it is toxic if ingested and can cause skin irritation, so it should be handled with care and kept out of reach of pets and children. Parlor palm, Comedoria elegans, is a graceful, compact indoor palm cherished for its feathery green fronds and ability to thrive in low-light conditions. Native to the rainforests of southern Mexico and Guatemala, it is well suited to indoor environments with indirect light and average humidity. This slow-growing plant prefers evenly moist, well-draining soil and should be watered when the top inch feels dry. The parlor palm is non-toxic to pets and children, making it a safe and stylish addition to homes and offices. Its air-purifying qualities and elegant appearance have made it a favorite houseplant since the Victorian era.